Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off friend request in Destiny 2. If you want to disable receiving friend request in Destiny 2, then first of all launch open Destiny 2 on your device, and then once you're inside the home page, tap on More at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Account Settings. Once you're inside Account Settings, click on Privacy under it, and under Account Setting Privacy page, click on the box right next to Allow Friend Request. Make sure that it is disabled, and now tap on the tick mark at the top right corner in order to save the change. Now once you turn off the Allow Friend Request button, you will not receive a friend request in Destiny 2. This will help you focus on your gameplay without unnecessary interruptions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.